Today we are going to start the question on probability. The first question says a coin is tossed and a die is thrown. Write down the probability of obtaining a head, an odd number on a die, and head on coin and the odd number on a die. First of all, we have to draw the sample space. Sample space for the first situation is a coin is tossed. Coin is tossed, so sample space is basically a total number of outcomes. So there are two outcomes, head or tail. Now draw the sample space for the second case, that is a die is thrown. So the sample space will be having six numbers that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Come to question number 1, probability of head. Probability of head. First of all, check the number of heads appeared in total sample space. That is only one. By you are supposed to put the total number of outcomes that are 1 and 2. So the probability of head is 1 by 2. Come to part B, probability of odd number. First see the total number of odd numbers 1, 2 and 3 and write down the total numbers of outcomes that are 6. After simplification you will get 1 by 2. If you come to part number 3, it is basically amalgamation of both the above parts, that is a head and odd number. What is the probability of head? That is 1 by 2. Place here 1 by 2. What is the probability of odd number? That is also 1 by 2. And because of this and, you are going to put here the multiplication symbol. If you are having here or, you will put here plus rather than multiplication symbol. So you get the answer 1 by 4. Hope you like the video. Thank you for watching it.